Are you the one who has a burning desire to manifest something which you love the most, but it is not happening? Instead, opposite circumstances and negative things are manifesting fast. If you are the one, then stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll be telling you why that is happening and how you can change that situation. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Evolve with Rupa. My name is Rupa Joshi and I am your life transformation coach. I will be guiding you step by step how to break this pattern of yours. So let's dive deep in. So guys, we have seen in the manifestation journey, once the manifestation processes and everything is done, you see that a constant negative manifestation are occurring. Why is this happening? Why is that one burning desire which you wish with all your heart should happen? Yeah, there are easier desires where you have no resistance and it is happening very fast. But that one desire which you have this burning desire to have it in your life is not happening. The reason is because of your core beliefs. Your core beliefs are nothing but the beliefs that you have gained while you were young, a child, when in the observer mode, and you observed the world around you. And because of that, the core beliefs started developing at a very young age. It is said, according to the scientific research, that your core beliefs develop by the age of 7 to 8 years old. After that, the cementing has been done. Now, whatever you are doing is on top of it. Almost like 70 to 80% work is done. Because at that time, in your childhood, you are in the observer mode. You are constantly observing people and situations around you. And the remaining, the experiences and the patterns happening on your life based on those core beliefs are trying to sabotage your manifestation. So suppose your manifestation is to earn a specific income. Say you want to earn around 10 lakhs per month, but you don't have a core belief of it. In fact, it's opposite. Your core belief is something like you are poor. You cannot afford anything. That is your core belief. Now you are trying to do the affirmation. I'm rich, I'm wealthy, I'm awesome, I can afford anything. You are trying that. But because of that core belief which has been imprinted in your subconscious mind, you are not able to get that manifestation. Although that is your most burning desire. And the other thing is that whenever you try to change your subconscious beliefs, fear arises. Maybe a certain circumstance arises where you are going more in debt, you have more bills to pay, and you have more stuff to do, which empties your bank account. Does that happen? Yes. That's because of those core beliefs and patterns. So your core beliefs, they are governed by the thoughts, and they constantly give you the thoughts like, you cannot be rich because your bank account is zero. Now, how to break this negative pattern and this negative circumstances that are constantly occurring in your life? Well, Neville Goddard had an amazing method called revision technique. So today I'm going to talk about it. Suppose this is your core belief that you are poor, you cannot afford anything, and you don't deserve anything. Then if certain circumstances occurs where you have to give away the bills, at that time, at the night time, when you are in the sad state, that is state akin to sleep, just before you are in that drowsy state, before you feel like you are going to sleep, 5 minutes before that state, just visualize the opposite situation to what actually you are doing. Getting it? So suppose you got bills today and your account was already empty and you had to resolve those bills using your credit card or something like that. Now you're in debt. Instead of concentrating and focusing on debt, focus that all your bills are paid and you're happily seeing money, the bill amount which you got being credited to your bank account. I know that is not true. You are going to say, Rupa, this is an illusion. That's not true. But let me tell you one thing. Everything that is surrounding you is holographic illusion. And your subconscious mind, it follows the patterns, thoughts, and belief system. And your consciousness is the only reality. I did not say that. Neville Goddard used to say that. And many of his students have received multiple success stories overnight. And these manifestations have been permanent. Certain manifestation, he himself used to say that it were impossible. The facts stated otherwise, but it still happened. So what you need to do is that exact same circumstance which aroused fear, which aroused doubt within you, just visualize the opposite before going to sleep as if everything is fine. I know initially there will be doubts whispering, no, you are doing whatever you're doing is an illusion, this is not true. But it is said that God is in your own wonderful human imagination. And you have to feel it with feelings as if that amount is credited in your bank account, then how will you feel? Exactly, that is the secret behind everything. That is what Neville Goddard used to say. So just try the revision technique. I myself have achieved few success stories because revision techniques is amazing. There are so many success stories. I'll just give you an example of Neville Goddard's. So there was this lady who came to his lecture, and Neville Goddard, she was in tears and she said that she does not have good relations with her son. So Neville Goddard asked her that every night before going to sleep, just revise your relationship with your son. As in, whatever is actual circumstance, visualize opposite to what was happening. So she did with all diligence, although the circumstances were away, her son was not contacting her, and she was still upset and everything. But still, she maintained that state while doing the revision technique. She maintained that feeling as if the son is calling her, and she's happily discussing, and they are very happy together. She did it for around a month or two, and guess what? After 2 months, her son did call her exactly as she used to revise. So, guys, this is not some voodoo magic or something like that. This is just creating a new belief system. The core belief system which is working against you. Now you are removing it with the help of revision technique, and you are applying a new belief system which is going in your favor, which is flowing with your flow. So, if you have a burning desire to earn more money, to become rich, to become wealthy, then see what core belief is blocking you. Find that out. First, find the awareness. Awareness is the key. That yes, I have this core belief that I feel like I'm not deserving and that I'm poor or something like that. Whatever is your core belief, make awareness. Throw the light of awareness over there. Once you know that, now do the revision of the exact opposite circumstance and create a new belief. And trust me, guys, it might take some time depending on how deeper your core belief is, but it works every time. There are multiple success stories on internet regarding it, and Neville Goddard's technique are amazing. So, guys, if you are also facing any such core belief which is working against you, then try this. And do let me know in the comment section if you need more help from me, and if this video is helping you, then also let me know. If you feel such content is going to help you, then do subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to create more such content that is going to help you with your manifestation processes and law of assumption, as well as transurfing, that is changing your reality with conscious choices. And yes, drop a like to this video if you felt that this video has helped you a lot. And if you have any such success stories regarding this, then do feel free to comment on this video, as well as if you want to dive deeper, if you need more of my assistance to help you in your manifestation journey, then book one-on-one session. I'll leave the details in the description section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video till the end. Bye.